Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. Today we are going to learn some basic commands of Autocad. This is the draw toolbar. You can see here this is the line, polyline, circle, okay, and this is the arc, and these are polygons, ellipse and hatch. So these are comes under draw toolbar. So we have to learn one by one for each toolbars in this tutorials. So first toolbar is line command. So we have to take the line command from here, this toolbars directly. There are two options. So first of all you can take like this and you can draw simply line. Okay, this ortho is on, so you can draw the line in horizontal and vertical direction only. So freehand you can draw like this. Okay. If you want to go out with this command, so you can simply press space button or enter, or you can press escape button also. So I am pressing the space button and I go out. Okay, and second method is with the dimension. So again you have to take the line command from this draw toolbar, or there is shortcut key of line command is L. So once you enter the L, all the lines, all the commands belongs starting to L is visible here. See. Okay, so most of the time you try to use shortcut keys just to save the time. So I enter L and simple draw one line here at a distance of 5 meter. Okay, and upside 3 meter, enter. Then this side again 5 meter, enter. Then 3 meter, enter. Again enter just to go out from this command. Okay. If you want to draw this line at inclined at a certain angle, so how to draw it? Simple use L, enter, and you can see here this is showing here distance. So draw a line at a distance of 3 meter and then press tab key just to specify the angle. So enter, you can see here this showing degree, so I am entering 30 degree, enter. You can see this line is drawn at a distance of 30 degree. Then you can specify, just show the arrow direction wherever you want to draw one more line. So upside I want to draw one line at a distance of 2 meter, enter. Okay, and then again enter just to go out from this command, and you can check this angle is correct drawn or no. So how to check? Simply go to draw one horizontal line and then you can check from here. So this one and this one, you can see here this is showing 30 degree. Okay, so for angle you need to for checking the angle you need two line at least. Okay, so you can check it here. See, this is 30 degree. So with the help of this line command we have to make one simple architectural plan. I will show you guys how to make it. So you can see this is the simple architectural plan, this one, and we have to make this plan using the line command, line draw toolbar. So you can see here first of all this start from here. So you can see 4 meter by 3.3 meter. So this x-axis 4 meter and y-axis 3.3 meter. So draw it, take line command or take from this draw toolbar L, simple draw 4 meter, enter 4, then upside is 3.3, enter, then this side is 4, enter, then simple join this. Again, just to repeat the same command, you have to enter or a space button. So I am entering the space button. Then again you have to draw 3.3 upside, 3.3 enter, and then 4 enter. Simple join this. Okay, and the next one is 3.3 by 2.3, this room, bedroom. So 3.3 by 2.3. Again take line command and start from this point and enter the length of line 3.3 by 2.3, 2.3 enter. Simple. Again here enter 3.3 enter. Again enter just to go out from this command. Okay, and next one is, you can see 2.1 by 1.2. okay, so take line command L enter, .2. So just show the direction of the line. So 1.2 enter the length, and this side is 2.1. So 2.1 enter, and then down is simply you have to join it here. Again enter just to go out from this command. Okay, and now this WC, you can see here 1 meter and 1 meter horizontal, and upside is 1.2 meter. So take line command again and start from this point. Upside is 1.2. So 1.2 enter, and this side is 1 meter enter, and again downside is 1.2. okay, enter, again enter. Okay, so this is over. Now the next one is, you can see here, this is the living room and it's showing 4 meter by 3 meter. So this is the 4 meter. So this bedroom is 3.3 meter. That means this is 0.7 meter is out. So from this point, so take one line from here, and this side is 0.7, so 0.7 meter enter, and then upside is 3 meter. So this side show the direction of the line and is enter the length of the line 3 meter, and this side is 4 meter, and again you have to join it here. Simply take one line from this point and join it to here. Take one line from this point and simply click on this line. Enter just to go out from this command. Okay, so this is we have drawn the simple architectural plan using the line command. Okay, and this outside dotted line is we have to draw with using polyline command. So polyline command is very useful. So you have to take the polyline. You can see here, this is the polyline command from the command bar, draw toolbar. So simply take polyline and start from this point, click on each corner. Okay, polyline command we have to see in detail in the next tutorial. Just to draw this plinth, we have to use the polyline command. So I have already drawn the polyline command. I want to offset. So you can see this is the polyline command is the single segment. So I have drawn. If you select this, it is showing all the line is connected in all lines. So I want to offset this. So simply use offset command, O enter, specify the offset distance 0.5 or 0.2 200 mm. So 0.2 enter, select this one and select outside. Okay, and simply select this one and go to the property line type from here. So it's not loaded any hidden line. So you need to load the line. So this is line type manager. Simply click on load, and you can see here there is so many dotted or dash lines. So simply select any line and simply select this and click OK. Okay, then select this one and change the line type. So this is the dash. Okay, so it's not showing the dash. So what you will do, you need to increase the scale. So simply select this one, go to the property. Okay, and you can see here the line type scale. So make it 50 or 0.1. So see, it's showing here because this is in meter. So you need to enter here 0.001. Okay, and 0.002. Okay, and if you want to change the color of that line, so you can change it from here. So I want that color should be in yellow or red. You can show it from here. So this is how we can use this draw toolbar, and from the draw toolbar how we are going to use the line command and how it is useful. So this will be very useful for all the engineers as well as draftmen. So I think you guys learn the first toolbar, first command from the line draw toolbar, that is line command. So in the next tutorial guys, I will explain you what is the polyline command. The second command is polyline command, and how to use this polyline command is very important command. And then in the next tutorial guys, we will show you, I will show you how to use the circle command. There are so many options here. If you click here this drop down button, you will get number of options. This first one is center radius, center dial, and 2 point, 3 point, 10 10, and the 10 10 10. Okay, so we will see in the next tutorial all these commands and its uses. So thank you for watching my videos, and thank you. Bye bye.